Good morning. It's the 18th of March 2021. I'm going to go to the garage. You sure? Put it in the chair. So we got the two boys and Charlie. Oh, shoot. You want me to try to calm him? No? Okay.
I don't know. I was trying to get him to drink the bottle.
All right. Yeah, I'll be back. Anyway, so Asher is 2, and Titus is 4 months, I think. So Kathy's watching them, and Charlie's outside with me. I know my hair's a mess, guys. I know, I apologize. I know you're all upset that my hair is a mess. But it's just one of those things, so I'll put a hat on for you. So I just cleaned the stalls and fed the horses. So that's done. Can you see me? I'm not sure you can see me. It's kind of dark in here. What's the weather like? So it feels like about, well, I'll check. Feels to me like 37, 38. And it's windy. And it rained a little bit last night and this morning a little bit. Just enough to be irritating. Let's see what the weather is, guys. So, like I said, it's the 18th of March 2021. And right now, oh, I said it was 37 degrees. It's 38. Not bad. It's very perfect working weather. I just got to get off my butt a little earlier. I got up early, but kind of milled around the house, did the dishes. I did, seriously. And now, so what I'm working on is that van. Let me do a quick walk around the van a second. Charlie, are you in here? You silly, were you hiding from me? Okay, all right, I'll be right back. I just got a video of the van. Box Van D, how you doing? RV Debs, how are you? Back from Florida here. I was in Florida when you were there. I was in St. Pete's and Treasure Island. You were in Bradenton? Yeah. So there's the van, guys. It's a Ford Triton V8. It's got heavy-duty shocks. It was built for a handicapped kid. So the back end has got shocks. I believe it's got an inverter because I saw a 110, 120 plug. So I'll have to test that. I believe it's got a rust hole just above the wheel. I mean, actually on the other side of the wheel. It's really rusty, but who cares? Underneath, that's fine. I'll show you what I'm working on. Nothing in here yet, but that's the truck spare. But like I said yesterday, I made some changes and plans. The bed was going to be on the back end along this wall, but it's going to be in the front end, and it's only going to be 30 inches wide. Tucked underneath it will be full of underneath the bed will be these containers, plastic containers, and it'll be 6 feet, maybe 2 inches from that driver's seat, 6 feet this way, because I'm a short guy. I'm a short little Indonesian, so 6 feet's plenty. 30 inches wide because that's really all I need. It's going to go right up to the, oh, hang on. It's going to go right up to the windows. So it'll be this high and go over here, over the ledge here. I don't need those ledges. I don't need no stinking ledges, but my shoulders will fit in there and be, to the window, to the outside the bed. No problem. I say that, but I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. So let me show you these doors. It had an accident, like I said 1,000 times before. So you really got to smack them. I oiled these things. That ain't helping. But hey, for what I'm going to use it for, it's plenty good. I'm not taking it to church. It's for, it's got a really nice trailer hitch on there. So I won't be using the truck that often. Charlie, are you in here? Charlie? Where's Charlie at? Hey, Charlie? She might be inside. That's the problem with this property. They can get around these buildings and I don't see them, or they can't hear me and I can't hear them. Charlie, you out here? I hate to bother Kathy because she's got the kids. You know what? I'm just going to run. Hey, Charlie. Charlie, if you're in here, I'm going to the store. Usually if you say you're going to the store, you got to run out and come with me. But let's see what's she's inside. It's important that anybody could pull up these driveways. This is a kid. You know what I mean? People say, well, when's the last time you heard that happen? Well, that's because people don't let them outside, the kids outside, and scoots them in the house so that nobody gets them. I'll run in. See, she's with Kathy. Oy. With Gunga. Kathy, you got the kid? Charlie?
Charlie's here.
Okay, yeah, I was hollering for her. Okay, I'll be outside. So, she made it inside. Stinker. So anyway, let's head back outside. Oh, she comes again. Oh, you didn't shut the door, sweetie. I'll watch you. Yeah, well, I'll wait for you. Good girl. You done good, sweetie. Now get out of the way or I'll beat you to death. Anyway, she likes to kind of mill around and yap. I don't know where she gets that from. She yammers on and on and on about everything. Interesting stuff, too. She loves animals. She helped me with the stalls. I wonder if you guys are even recording. Oh, you're recording. 17 minutes? No. 7 minutes. Okay, good. All right, so let me turn some of the radios down because they're a little bit loud for me. I still smell the gas from the quad runner.
No, absolutely not.
Leaked out.
The Constitution is a contract, and it's a
So I have to turn the other radio down a little bit too. There's my 750 Hondas, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Yes. Okay, Charlie, I got to turn that radio down a little bit. Do you mind? You mean no? Okay. Hey, I heard Dan Bonagino is going to take over Rush's slot for a while. Whether that's permanent, I don't know. And whether they're going to use the same soundtrack from somebody Hart. I think it's Hart. Anyway, I don't know. Dan Bonagino, he's okay, but I really would rather have had Michael Knowles. If you guys don't know Michael Knowles, you guys got to look him up. It's pretty cool. Oh, Mama. How do you open this dumb thing, Charlie? Oh, it is open. Oh, no. I'm trying to figure this stupid... I'm going to set you down so you can see what I'm trying to do. Not being very successful, but I'll get there. You guys gonna be okay right there? I'm talking to this camera. Sometimes you gotta talk to the camera, Charlie. You know that? Chicken butt. Sometimes you gotta talk to the camera. Hey, name drops. Gary Vanderscaff. Gary Vanderscaff, where you at, bruh? I stopped by your shop, and Gary had a book sale in his antique, or his place in the antique place, warehouse, and bought a bunch of spotlights. You guys don't remember the spotlights? I bought like 7 of them for $2 each. $2.25 each.
It says Van Beek.
That says Van Beek. So that's Christina. That's your mom. Christina Van Beek. That's your mom. So somehow she got that. I don't know where she got that from. You don't know? But why not? Why wouldn't you know that? Why? Why? So that was Gary Vanderscap. Gary, how are you, man? Haven't seen you in a long time. I can't remember the last time you were at the farm. Your wife and daughter, was that on the horse? Something like that? So let me show you what I'm up to. Let me turn some more lights on. I'll turn you this way so you can watch me turn some lights on. Oh! So. I pulled the wrong plug out. This plug here, is it? There it is. There. I got more lights. I don't know if you guys can see me, but... So, this is my bed frame for the van. Box Van D. It's coming along. Pandemonium. Aja. Eric Jacobs. This is how Eric Jacobs started, an old van. Camper Van Kevin and his sidekick, that one guy. Camper Van Kevin's buddy from Georgia. I forget his name. He's got a channel. I subscribe to him too, and bell notifications and everything. I don't want to miss his. I don't want to miss his videos. I can't think of his name. I also follow Destination Open Road. So Scott and Terry, how you guys doing? That van guy, or no, the bounder. Oh, you okay, sweetie? That's okay. You didn't get hurt. Oh, I love it. It's a rainbow. How did you learn how to make a rainbow, sweetheart?
I just know how to make it.
You just know how to make it. That's good. Love it. So I know this is kind of overkill, but I'm using these long screws. So they have to go through the 2x2s. I know it's long, but
What is this one?
it's for my bed in the van.
What?
It's for my bed in the van. This is the bed.
Are you going to carry a bed though?
Yes, Gunga, you guys can sleep in it sometimes. When we go camping in Michigan, this is just for short Michigan travels.
The bed when you're done.
Yes, and then when you maybe have to sleep over, I can have a sleepover at your house, in your driveway. I can sleep in the van. Wouldn't that be fun? That would be great. Huh? Yeah, well, you can too. We'll have so much fun, Charlie. And then we can go to the lake, where we can sleep in the van, right next to the lake. We can go fishing.
But what if we fall in?
You're not going to fall in.
Are we just going to park?
Yes, we park along the side of the lake.
Not so far.
No.
We'll probably fall.
Yeah, we don't want to fall in the lake. But I'll have a trailer too. And then we can cook. We can fish. Yeah.
So all of us can?
Nice thing is, you're young enough to not have to have a license to fish. So it'd be easy.
I don't know how to, go fishing.
I don't know how to fish either, Charlie, but we can learn.
Me too.
Yeah.
Should I learn?
Well, we'll all learn together. We'll bring Christian, we'll bring Lincoln, we'll bring Chevy.
Because none of us know how to do it.
Promises, right? So now you have an idea of what I'm doing. I just put a couple more boards on there. Try not to bore you guys.
What?
I'm talking to the YouTube people. Oh, shoot, wrong board. Well, people want to watch my videos. I don't like people to watch my videos. Right, Charlie? So make sure you guys, hey, where you guys at? Can't even see me, barely. Make sure you guys subscribe. Not that I'll ever make any money on it, but I like people to watch my videos. So basically this video, my video series is about retired life of an old Dutch Indonesian guy, me. Hey, let's throw another name in. Chris Mull. Chris Mull, how are you doing, man? Chris Mull. I worked with him at Keeler Brass years ago. Where we made a ton of money in piecework. So this is the face of the bed. The bed top will be here, and then I'll put the plastic totes in here to store my food, clothes, anything, right? Water. Oh, why? Because when I go camping, I want food and my clothes there. Towels, because I want to use it to. I want to use it to. Huh?
I'm sending my picture.
Yeah, it's sitting on the ground here. I'll pick it up. Oh, Mamma Mia! Oh, Mamma Mia! Oh! So anyway, excuse me. So this is 6 feet. I'll go with 3 feet hill. Cow pie. Why cow pie? So, Wayne Romance. Where you at, Wayne? Wayne Romance. Wayne Romance. Leanne Hogben. Hank Hogben. Hank Hogben. Now there's a super guy. Met him once. That's Leanne Hogben's husband. Now Leanne passed away a while ago with cancer. I can't remember what type of cancer, but she lived in Greenville on the main drive, north to south drive, just north of Bass Lake, is it? I think every state's got 20 Bass Lakes. But yeah, she was an engineer with me at Lear. Wayne Romance was a manufacturing engineer / controls engineer at Lear. He retired, I think, early. I retired early too, 1 year early. Dave Boss, Dave Boss. How you doing, bro? Wesley Schreier. We got to get together and have some food, Wesley. What are you looking at?
Nothing.
What are you looking at? You think it's funny that I'm doing videos and talking to the camera? Why do I always? I don't know. It's a, oh, Mamma Mia, that was a long ways down. Well, because when I'm dead and gone, then you guys can watch me on the videos. And you can watch you on your videos because you were a little girl then. And when you get older and I'm long gone, you get to watch it on the video. You can watch your kids grow up. You'll see Gemma, you'll see Sophia, you'll see Clara, you'll see Lincoln, Christian, you know. Isn't that nice? It'll be so much fun. So guys, I'm not going to bore you much more. I'm just going to put these 2 screws in. Camper Van Kevin. Hope you're doing good. What's the name of that lady? What's that, sweetie? Carolyn. RV Carolyn or Camper Eric Carolyn? That's beautiful, sweetie. How you doing? Nice of you having Camper Van Kevin use your facility, your mobile home park driveway. That's nice. He's got some support. I think you guys are close to Phoenix, and that's where Camper Van Kevin went to get his treatment. Okay, guys, I'm going to call it quits. Nice. Yeah. RV Debs, enjoy your, we enjoy your live streams. D, Box Van D too, or Box Van, is it? Box Van D. Okay. That's it. Again, this is my bed. And as I'm moving along, I'll slowly post a video here and there. Just do a search on my channel because there's so many videos and none of them are edited. I have to learn how to do that. Oh, I'm using the DB Power camera, 4K, which I've had for I was looking at some of the words, Wi-Fi 330 FPS, whatever that means. Foot per second? I don't know. Anyway, so that's the beginning of it. So it's slowly coming together. I emptied out the van last year. I had so much stuff in there. A big old chairlift wheelchair lift in there. I put all that out, and the 2 seats in the back. Yeah, it's coming. I got the rest of my life, Jack. Upstairs to this barn, you go up the stairs, will be the pigeons, and I'll start raising pigeons. I can't wait to do that. I'll have a huge area out the back, and they'll fly in and out of that, and then at times I'll let them fly loose, and then they'll fly back. But I have to learn when the hawk and falcon migration, they'll plow through here. Some of them will stay here, but a lot of them will fly through here. But you want to keep them inside so that they don't, you know, get attracted to this area. So they move on. But anyway, yep, there it is. All right, see you guys. Adios. Oh, I got a guy staring at me again. I think I was told this is John Calvin. He watches over me when I putz around here and just kind of shakes his head. If you watch real carefully, I mean, look at that cynical look on his face. He's going, Dirk, what are you doing? And of course, the family, my dad's way behind there. You can see him there. Anyway, my grandpa and grandma. Yes, sweetie. Huh? All right, see you guys.